What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Filmora Edits. And today, we are diving into the world of trending edits. Think bold, bounce, and eye-catching visuals like the ones from Wo Paulo and Casey Ward. And the best part, we're doing it all with Filmora for you. First, let's break down what makes these edits so popular. We've got flashy transitions, creative zooms and shakes, flashy frames, and without further ado, let's get right into it. So first, I'm going to use the clips that I got from my recent Korea trip. And what we're going to do here is to recreate the editing styles that we've seen with Casey Ward and Wo Paulo. So this can be applied either in our reels, shorts, or even the long format videos. And I'm going to do is cut it in 4x5 or in 1x1 depending on your taste. In my case, what I'm trying to achieve here is the symmetry of every frame that I will apply here in this video. Because personally, I like to have my videos in a symmetrical format to give it the cinematic visual look. And here in Filmora, you can choose between two separate ways in order for you to get the cinematic look. First is with filters, which is I'm doing right now, and you can choose from tons of the options that you have here. And I'm trying to apply which best fits for my videos. Second option is when you click the video on your timeline, you can go to color and apply the LUTs or even manually edit your color grading depending on your preference. Let me also try to add some effects. Right now, I'm trying to add a different video effects in order to give it an old film look or probably a VHS type of thing in my video. These small details can give you a huge impact on the overall video effect that you wanted to do. And these video effects that I created will be applied all across the videos on the timeline. Next one is applying some texts. So in Filmora, you can also choose tons of fonts that you can apply and even text effects. But in my case, what I'm trying to achieve here is doing like a subtitle kind of thing. And that's what we're going to do on the lower part of the video. In other terms, I'm trying to create a subtitle in a narration that I'm gonna do on the next part of this video. And I think this edit is already good to go, and let's see how it would look like after rendering it. And that's it for today's episode. Thank you guys for watching. If you guys like this content, don't forget to hit the like, comment, and subscribe. And this has been Alex, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace!